Are you experiencing Roblox not loading on your PS5 or PS4, getting stuck on the continue screen, or seeing a black screen? This is a common issue affecting some console players. It's often due to software glitches, compatibility problems, or server issues. Roblox acknowledges this as an intermittent bug, particularly during peak usage times or after updates. The problem arises from the app's struggle to initialize game sessions, which manifests either as the continue button becoming unresponsive or a black screen appearing. This is often caused by problems with software compatibility, network and server dependencies, cache and data corruption, or authentication loops. Start with basic fixes. First, restart your PlayStation and the Roblox app. Ensure your PS4 firmware is at least version 10.0 or your PS5 is at least version 7.0. Check your internet connection and aim for at least 10 megabits per sec. Clear the Roblox app's cached data and consider reinstalling the app. For black screens, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a stable network. If problems persist, Roblox plans deeper PlayStation DualSense controller integration by 2026, which may fix underlying hardware quirks. Keep an eye on the Roblox official status page for updates.